How to add Marketplace to Facebook tab bar. First, open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Scroll down. Under the section for Preferences, find this option for tab bar. Tap on it. Tap on the option Customize the bar. Now you can customize the navigation bar or tab bar. See the available tabs. Under the section for Hidden, find the option for Marketplace. Tap on the option Hidden. Either tap on the option Pin or tap on the option Auto. Wait for a while. The Marketplace will be updated. Go back. Refresh the Facebook. Now you can see the option for Marketplace. Like this, you'll be able to add Marketplace to Facebook tab bar. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.